Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by R H Seymour in 1876. You'll see that black has a bishop and 2 knights, but white has 2 rooks and 2 bishops. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? You can checkmate in 3 by taking the knight with the bishop. The king moves to e4, you can move the knight to g2. The king then moves back to d3. You can checkmate in 3 by moving the knight to e1. If you check the king by moving the knight to f5, the king can move to d3 and take a knight, but there's no way to get a checkmate in 2 this way. If you try moving the bishop out of the way, then that's obviously a disaster because the black knight can take one of the rooks. There's no checkmate in 2 this way because the king has escape squares. There's actually a forced mate in 4 if you move the bishop to f5. Black can block with the knight. You can then move in the other bishop, which black can take back with the knight. You can then check with the rook. Black can block with the knight, but the next go it's a checkmate in 4. Let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. So to do this one, you need to move the rook to c3. Black pushes the d pawn. You can move the knight to c2 to checkmate the king in 2. It obviously makes no difference if the pawn takes the pawn, you can still move the knight to c2 to checkmate. If black moves the king to e4, you can again checkmate in 2 with a knight to d2, but here you can also move the knight to f5 to checkmate the king. Okay, that's the end of this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.